Hello all, this is Bishwadeep and welcome to day 28 of my 100-day AI journey. Before diving into anything, let me show you some of the videos that I made. See.
Energy boost? This blueberry energy drink keeps me refreshed all day. This is my favorite way to recharge.
This is one of the video. This is another video.
Honestly, this keeps me going through long recording sessions.
Yeah. These are all human AI generated images, and you can consider these as an UGC content creators who are taking the products into their hands and giving the giving the advertisement of that particular product. So you can also create the similar thing in the similar way, and not only about this content about only UGC products like the skincare products or anything. It can be uh, it can start with any products, with the beverage, with the skincare products, or whatever products are available in the market. And also you can create a podcaster yourself, uh, giving lectures on some important topics or the others, where which you can post it on any of the mediums, right? So let me show you how I have generated all of this UGC contents, and it's so simple that you can also create uh, the different kinds of avatars of different AI images of different people, right? So it can always remember there is a third party violation whenever you are trying to just copy paste some of the images directly, or they're having the real images. You cannot put that directly into any of the apps, so it is going to be a violation for that. So let me show you how you can create some UGC content creators who can promote your products or for own your products also. If you are in the business, you want to promote some products, you can do that with the help of this simple idea. So go to the Pinterest. I hope everyone knows about this Pinterest app, where you can get different kinds of images than videos, where you can get the creative idea that uh, how you can use those images or videos in any of your contents, right? Or maybe for your business purpose also, you want to create some creatives, hoardings, banners, anything, logos. So you will get all kinds of sorts of things over there in the Pinterest. As I had previously used this drink and also used one of the image, I where is it currently, it's not showing. So I used one of the image from here, and also this is the product that I have used, and it created such an amazing video right now. So let me show you or guide you how to create that by yourself, okay, without giving any single money to any people for creating some contents, right? So go come into this Pinterest. You will be if you have never ever registered here, firstly you register. It's just a simple login through Google, and that's it. And uh, and it will ask your date of birth, and that's it. You can enter into this Pinterest. Okay, now now I want to create a podcast video for some people. Okay, podcast video. Say I want to create a motivational podcaster male who will reflect on the daily affirmations that, or maybe you are genuinely thankful to someone. So you can create those types of videos with the help of Pinterest, ChatGPT, and the Google Flow. So let me show you the whole process, and you can do it within this 5 minutes of your time. Okay, create podcast, type podcast mail. Okay, podcast mail. Okay, mail, and say mail host. Okay, see, there are different kinds of images out there. You can choose any of the thing that how you want that your podcast will be, or who will be that main person that who will be talking, right? So I will take any of this person from here. Say I will take this guy. Okay, fine. This is one of the image. Go to these three dots, download this image. Okay, you have downloaded this image. It is not going. See, let us see how it's showing. Yeah, it's coming nice. Okay, now after that, go to ChatGPT. Click on the new chat, click on the add files and the more. So the image that you have downloaded will come into this downloaded file. See, this image is there. Click on this image. Now ask ChatGPT if you want to say I want the JSON prompt for it. Okay, so what is this JSON prompt? Why I have not given, or why I have not uploaded the this image into the video generation tools, or why I have not used this image directly? Because this can be a violation that I'm uploading someone else's image, so there is kind of restriction. Okay, so that is why I have used the JSON prompt. JSON prompt is nothing like it will give you the uh, it is one of the programming language where see the scene type, environment, camera angle, composition, then the under the subject what it comes, the gender, all the adjectives, the age, ethnicity, skin tone, hair, all the facial expressions, so what it will be, right? So similarly you will get the whole detailed JSON prompt from ChatGPT. Copy that. Now come to Google Flow. Okay, these were the previous created images of mine. Now here the automatic the video will be selected. Click on this, go to the image and say click on four images. So you will be having the multiple varieties of images from where you can choose one. Okay, and creating images in the Google Flow does not requires a single penny to invest on, and it also requires a zero credits. Okay, now paste the whole JSON prompt. Okay, and click on enter. So it will try to create the four different images of that particular JSON prompt that what you have copied it from the ChatGPT. So from this four images you can select one of the image and you can use it for your podcast videos. Now again come back to ChatGPT and before it is getting published, now give the prompt, I want this podcaster to talk about daily affirmations and it will be 10-second long. I am making this podcast video in Google Flow where the captions will also be highlighted and the person sitting in the seat will have some genuine expression with the with whatever he speaks. Okay, so I want this podcaster to talk about daily affirmations and it will be 10-second long. uh, the uh, the narratives or the talking point will be somewhat inclined to inspirations, right? So again it will give me the prompts of it. Give me the prompts. Give me the, not the prompts, give me the master prompt. Okay, so it will give you this master prompt. Okay, I forgot to mention it, one thing. uh, I forgot to mention one thing. Okay, fine, just copy this one. Okay, copy this one, come to this Google Flow and see, these are the four images that has been generated from your JSON prompt, and it does not look similar to this people, to this guy, right? Somewhat changes are there, so it doesn't hamper that policy, right? Now do one thing, I will choose this one. Okay, now click on this Nano Banana 2, go to this video option, go to this 9:16 ratio, which is good for the reels or for the shorts, go to 1x, and it is for the 10s, right? 10s means 10 seconds, and generating will use 15 credits every day from Google Flow. All, as I have created some of the images and some of the two videos, so where I have wasted 30 credits, so daily you will be getting 50 credits daily. So out of those 50 credits, I have remained with 20 credits left, so I'll be using the rest 15 credits for making this video, right? Now click on the edition sign, choose the image which one you like. Okay, I will choose, maybe, yes, I'll choose this one, add to the prompt. Now copy paste that prompt, that master prompt, whatever you have taken it from the ChatGPT, paste it over here, and now just wait for maybe 1 minute, and your video will come out. Here a person is talking the daily affirmation, and it's kindly inclined towards the inspiration, and where you can get the clear idea that a how you can create this influencer type contents, and you can post it daily on your Insta or in YouTube, right? This is one of the uh, main agenda that everyone is looking for, some of the content creators, and through podcast, as the podcast is going to be the highly marketing level in the maybe in 2030, or it's already becoming booming, right? And also it's for your own business, or to showcase your own products, that whatever you are having or whatever you are manufacturing, you can showcase by creating, without creating your own avatar, you can use any of the AI generated images, and you can use it for the video purpose or for your marketing purpose, right? So let's wait for maybe 10 to 15 second more, and it will showcase that how this person is talking about daily affirmative videos or daily affirmative talks in this podcast video, right? See, it's already being generated, it's coming out. Let's click on this.
Every morning, remind yourself, I am capable, I am growing, and I am becoming the person I'm meant to be. Small steps every day create extraordinary lives.
Do I need to play the video once
Every
more
morning,
time?
remind yourself, I am capable, I am growing, and I am becoming the person I'm meant to be. Small steps every day create extraordinary lives. Every morning.
See, that's simple it is to create a podcaster in front of you within just 5 minutes of your time, right? So every day you can choose the different color of this, different dress color of this person, and different talking points, so it comes out nicely whenever you are posting something, right? So that's how you can generate multiple different kinds of ideas if anything is coming up on your mind. And let's see at the credits, that how many credits are left. See, 5 Google Flow credits are left for me for today, right? Again after 12 a.m, again this credits will be uh, refreshed, and it will become to 50 credits. So but the credit, if you are not using this 5 credits or maybe 50 credits per day, this will not be rolled over to the next day, remind that thing. Okay, every day that 50 credit will be there. If you are not using those 50 credits, it will not be rolled over. Okay, and one more important thing, this is the free Google Flow app, right, where you can use it until or unless you are having that pro version or the ultra version of it. So if you like this, that how to create this UGC contents and all, please follow me and subscribe for my daily AI journey, and also whatever I'm sharing, whatever I'm learning, I'm also trying to share it with you guys, so that you can also know that how to work with AI. And these are the small tools that I have currently working on. Maybe I'll slowly moving into the next deeper part, slowly moving into the maybe the automation process or how to build some custom agents and all. So I'll showcase everything, and whatever I am learning, I'm just sharing with you guys openly, and these are all in public, that I am building anything at all. Okay, that's all about today. Thank you everyone. Maybe I don't know where it has gone.